Hello learners, welcome back to Study Boost Education, your go-to channel for academic resources and exam preparation. If you are preparing for programming for problem solving under JNTU University, this video is for you. Today I will be walking you through the previous year's question paper and essential resources for acing your exams. This paper is structured to test your problem solving skills, so understanding the concepts of C programming, algorithms, and flowcharts is crucial. Make sure to focus on sections like loops, arrays, and pointers, as these are often recurring topics. Remember, practicing all those questions will boost your confidence and time management during the exam. To make your presentation easier, I have included a PDF link to this question paper in the description below. Download it now and start solving. And if you need any previous year question papers for any subjects, let me know in the comments. I will provide them to help you out. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe to Study Boost Education channel.